In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Atome bill with Maya. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way so you can complete your payment smoothly and avoid any confusion along the way. This is a straightforward method, and once you know where to tap, it only takes a few moments. To begin, launch the Atome app on your device. If the app asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log into your account before moving on. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can view the right billing details and payment schedule. Once you're inside the app, tap the Bills tab. This is where Atome organizes the payments connected to your purchases, including installments that are due soon or still scheduled for later dates. If you're not sure where your balance is listed, this section is the one you'll want to focus on. Next, look under the Upcoming or Active tab to view your future installments. This helps you identify the bill you want to settle. Take a moment to review the amount and make sure you're selecting the correct installment, especially if you have more than one payment scheduled. When you found the bill you want to pay, tap Pay Now. This opens the payment options available for that installment. At this point, it's a good idea to double check that you're ready to proceed, since the next few screens will take you into the payment flow. From the list of available payment methods, choose e-wallets. This option is used when you want to pay through a supported digital wallet instead of a bank card or another method. After that, select Maya from the list. You'll then be redirected to Maya to complete the payment. Log into your Maya account if prompted, then enter the one-time password or OTP sent for verification. After that, authorize the account link if required and confirm the payment. Once confirmed, the amount will be deducted immediately from your Maya wallet. Before you start, make sure your Maya wallet has enough balance to cover the full payment amount. It's also helpful to have a stable internet connection so the redirect and confirmation process go through without interruption. And that's it. Once the payment is successful, your Atome bill should be updated accordingly. That's how to pay your Atome bill with Maya.